Hi guys, today I will upgrade the Toshiba Satellite L670. On the left we got our power plug, VGA, LAN port, eSATA, HDMI and a SD card reader. On the right side you will find a Kensington lock, a modem port, a DVD writer, 2 USB ports and mic and headphone jack ports. Now this laptop came in without a hard drive, so it's about 7 years old. It's for a family member who wants to browse on the internet and only needs Microsoft Word. So I installed a new SSD and I installed Windows 10 on it. The laptop boots in 22 seconds after the installation. I recommended to upgrade the RAM to a total of 8GB, but everybody has a budget. So I will leave the 4GB in and return this old ass piece of to its owner. No, just kidding, it works fine and I'm sure that I can use it. So the browsing experience is quite nice for a laptop that's 7 years old. It still runs fast enough for simple tasks. So to add it all up, still an awesome laptop. You can watch movies on your TV thanks to the HDMI port. You can browse nicely and with Office on the go you can finish your work everywhere. Mission saving a Toshiba Satellite L670 accomplished. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.